Meet Jordan. Like so many young people today, Jordan is figuring out who he is, what he's good at, and where God is leading him. He has questions about faith and he wants to belong. Sometimes he feels overwhelmed and lonely under all the pressure. At Encircled, we believe no young person should walk that journey alone. That's why Jordan begins by choosing 5 trusted adults: a teacher, a youth pastor, a coach, a grandparent, and a parent. People who know him, love him, and believe in him. Together, they form Jordan's mentor circle. Jordan meets with his parent or mentor to walk through 4 simple activities in the Encircled app that ground Jordan in his identity in Christ, help him discover his God-given gifts, and create a vision for his future. Then Jordan invites his mentor circle to a gathering. The circle comes together in person for the special gathering, a time of affirmation and celebration where Jordan is reminded, you are seen, you are called, you belong. At the gathering, each person downloads the Encircled app, a simple, guided tool that helps everyone stay connected and focused on what matters most. Jordan shares what he's learned already about his identity in Christ, his unique gifts, and a vision for his future. As Jordan learns more about how God has designed him, his mentors share reflections in person and into the app, encouragements and support, affirming the gifts they see in him and how those gifts might be used to serve others. Each mentor makes a simple commitment. Maybe it's a monthly call, a note of encouragement, or a prayer check-in while Jordan is doing life as a student, extending into young adulthood. The gathering then closes with a time of blessing when they come around Jordan to pray for him over the next year and beyond. The circle stays connected, offering ongoing guidance, hope, and support. The result? Mentorship that's intentional, faith-filled, and rooted in research. It reduces loneliness, strengthens faith, and gives young people a framework for a lifetime of purpose and connection. Encircled. When we surround young people with love, faith, and guidance, they don't just find their path, they thrive in it.